Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy here, and for today's recipe share I have a nice well, it's two recipes in one. We grilled chicken, well, not really grilling, we did the chicken on open fire. We were so lucky because the next day it was snowing hard, so this chicken, we just got a new skillet, and it is so perfect for open fire, so we tried it using these following recipes. They are spicy. For one portion they are spicy because they are for the adults, while the other portion was for the boys and they liked it. So yeah, check out the full video if you'd like to see how we prepare this chicken on open fire. See you soon again. Bye. So this is 1 kilogram of skinless, boneless chicken breast with half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, 2 teaspoon of Vegeta powder, 1.5 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/4 cup of oil. We're just gonna mix it. Then we're gonna let it stand covered or chilled, covered and chilled or covered at least for 15 minutes before we process it. For this one is 1 kilogram of skinless and boneless chicken breast with half teaspoon of onion powder, garlic powder, steak seasoning, taco seasoning, ground coriander, and half teaspoon of parsley, and 1 teaspoon of chives, and 1 teaspoon of crushed chili. And we're just gonna mix it. And don't forget also 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Also forgot to mention, this is half teaspoon of Vegeta powder. The chicken browning like that, we're gonna wrap them inside with aluminum foil. Ooh, still steaming. Yay! Yum yum. Yum.